We are John and Jamie, and we did a complete renovation of our house. We've been here for 4 years, and it's been a dream of ours to have it done since then. All right, so the complete reno was the roof, the siding, the windows. We put a front porch on, we had stucco removed, we had the back deck put on with a roof. It was a big project.
New garage doors, a couple of windows added. We had a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah, new windows, yeah. It was a big project. It took about 3 months. That's a good question.
On the outside of the house?
Yeah, on the outside.
I don't think there's anything we didn't change.
No, I mean, we'll handle the landscaping at some point.
Right.
But that's pretty much it.
Everything has been, that's what I thought.
Yeah.
I don't recognize anything from before.
No.
That's great.
Every part of the exterior has been changed.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. I can tell you for me, the transformation of the house obviously was a huge thing. Working with the team was fantastic. It was always people coming down our driveway, and they were fantastic to work with. I mean, from the very beginning with Brian, with an I as we call him, and then Brian with a Y, and Juan, and Junior, and everybody. I was just working together with them, made this project so much easier.
Yeah, I think the whole process was pretty collaborative. Even just on this deck, they came up with some really good ideas, like vaulting the ceilings, which gives us a lot more space, and just we really didn't.
They moved our. I'm sorry. They moved our radon on the side, which we would have never thought to do.
Yeah, we had an idea what we wanted to do, and we had a lot of Pinterest research and different chat GPT things we were doing to kind of come up with solutions, but the team at Mastic really did a great job of collaborating with us, looking at those pictures, looking at the research we did, and kind of turning it into a reality. So that was my favorite part, was just seeing, we had pieces of ideas and just watching it kind of come together and turn into a finished product, which was pretty exciting for me. Shout them out.
Well, I kind of already did, but Juan and Junior and his crew, I mean, they worked so hard every day. Like I said, there was somebody always here, and it was hot some days, and they were fantastic. And he was so meticulous with things that he would think about, and Brian with a Y, as we call him, he saw the finished, how can I say it?
So I think Juan saw the vision, right? We would talk to Juan about some ideas, and he knew how to get it from our idea phase to what the finished product was going to look like.
But I thought Brian would take, he would make sure things were going to look appropriate, but I don't know the right way to say that. But he really wanted to make sure that the finishing product was going to look clean, right?
And I'd say something that stood out with the Mastic team was just the communication. It felt like every single night we got a text message saying, hey, here's what the plan is for the week, or anybody that's lived through this summer knows that there was a lot of thunderstorms, a lot of 100-degree days, a lot of different things that could get in the way of completing the work.
Yeah.
But the guys are really good about kind of shifting the schedule and accommodating what needed to be done to keep it moving forward. So really strong communication out of the team. I mean, we got text messages constantly.
We never wondered anything.
Yeah.
And if you did, you reached out to Billy. Oh, that's another one.
Billy.
We didn't mention Billy. He was fantastic.
Right.
You had any questions, he was back with you in 2 hours to let you know, oh, this is what it is, or whatever. He was fantastic.
Yeah. I think he lived in our driveway for
I
a
know.
few months,
I thought we
right?
adopted him for a little while.
He's our oldest kid,
yeah.
I think. So.
But yeah, I mean, just everybody. I hate to leave anybody out, because even the siding, the roofing, the Ricardo doing the painting on the foundation, Carlos and the trim on the inside. There was just so many people, and they just did a fantastic job.
Yep.
I'm very happy that you guys are happy. I guess for a final question, would you recommend Mastercraft?
Oh yeah, 100%. I'm so glad we went with them.
I'll think about it.
Yeah, fair enough. Okay. All right, that's it.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.